All right, today we have an update to one of my previous videos with my Tekton socket set. Quick recap: I got my number 15 millimeter was deep socket was a 6-point, not a 12-point. So here's should have been a 12-point. I got a 6-point. So I hopped online because I ordered this through Amazon. Found the Tekton service customer service number. Called them. Very helpful. Very pleasant. They told me how to do it, how to process it through their website, and I took a couple of pictures to show them the difference, the one I had and the one next to it that I had to. And lo and behold, I got it in the mail. I got the replacement in the mail, and here it is. My number 15, 12-point. Here's the one that they sent me with the kit, and here's the one that they just sent me today. So very happy, and they didn't even ask for this one back, so this is like a bonus, all right, for the hassle of going through it. But it wasn't really a hassle. I'm real happy with the company. Very nice. I think they even sent me an email. Yes, they did. They sent me an email letting me know that my new socket was going to be sent. I had a tracking number and all that. It came by the mail, U.S. mail, but that's fine. So all is good. I now have one extra piece, and I don't know where I'm going to put it. So it'll probably just go in my socket set in my drawer. And now I have my 12-point number 15. So thanks. I think it was Mike made a comment in the last video, and he wanted me to update everybody how it went. So here it is. Got nothing but good things to say. So I'm going to say 2 thumbs up. All right, more to come. Thanks for watching.